Is it true? พอยาเธอคัดเคิร์ดแว่นหรอ Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Aii, a fashion graduate student and also a founder and creative director behind the brand Jackriyan. And I'm also a proud alumni of Aii. I've been with Aii since 2016 to 2021. I have joined a lot of programs and events like music club, study tour, study trip. One of the most memorable memory was me joining the GEP 12 presentation. It's actually helped me boost my confidence, leadership, and taught me to work with others and also adapt more quickly with the new environment. After I finished my studies at Aii, I have applied what I learned in real-life situation. Aii helped me grow personally and professionally. It's improved my confidence, my critical thinking, and problem solving. The valuable skill I learned from Aii was critical thinking, leadership, communication, and adaptability. The teachers at Aii are very supportive, encouraging, and also patient with students. They create an environment which learning is more enjoyable and also fun to learn. So besides teaching, I love library. I usually went there and read many books. They provide like English book, Chinese book, and also there's my book that I can spend hours in it. One message that I want to share with everyone is don't afraid to make mistakes. It's actually a part of learning. If you are interested in studying English and Chinese, I recommend Aii because as a shy girl, I actually gained a lot of confidence during my study, and my problem solving and leadership I also gained from the school. Lastly, I want to thank Aii for shaping me to be who I am today.